In screwing and feeding technology, metallic objects such as screws, nuts, and rivets must be reliably detected in feed hoses. To detect these precisely, machine builder WEBER Schraubautomaten relies on sensors from wenglor. The inductive ring sensors reliably detect objects guided by compressed air at high speeds, with the standard correction factor 1 from just 2 millimeters. Each detected object triggers a signal, which is visualized by the all-round visible switching status indicator. Thanks to the separable housing and the flexible soft binder, the sensors can be mounted on hoses of different diameters and removed again quickly. The feed hoses of our systems must be replaced regularly during maintenance, and conventional ring sensors have to be removed and reinstalled with great effort. This process is complex and takes a lot of time. Tackling challenges like these was the motivation behind applying our expertise in the cooperation with wenglor. The separable housing of wenglor's new inductive ring sensors with the soft binders attached to the sensors now make our process noticeably easier. This saves us a lot of time during the installation and maintenance of our systems. With their innovative functions, wenglor's inductive ring sensors are perfectly tailored to the requirements of the industry and enable a smooth and efficient production process.